In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double opt-in in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First, let's take a moment to understand why double opt-in is so important. Essentially, double opt-in is a method of confirming your subscribers' interest by requiring them to verify their email address after they sign up. This not only enhances your email list quality, but also ensures that you're compliant with regulations like GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Plus, when your subscribers confirm their subscription, it demonstrates their genuine interest in receiving your communications, which can lead to better engagement rates down the line. So, to get started with enabling double opt-in in Beehiiv, first, you'll need to log into your Beehiiv account. If you haven't already signed up, you can easily do so on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where all your newsletter settings and analytics can be found. Next, you'll want to click on the Settings tab located on the left sidebar of your dashboard. This section holds the configuration options for your newsletters, including subscriber management features. Once in Settings, you should see various options to customize your account according to your preferences. Look for the subsection labeled Subscription Settings. This is where you can manage how your subscribers join your list and engage with your content. Keep an eye out for the option that mentions double opt-in. It might be worded slightly differently because platforms continually update their interfaces, but you're looking for something that conveys the idea of confirming subscriber emails. When you find that option, there will typically be a toggle switch next to it. Click on that toggle to enable double opt-in. You might see a confirmation or prompt asking if you're sure about this change. Go ahead and confirm your selection, and that's it for the toggle. However, enabling double opt-in isn't just about flipping a switch. You'll want to customize the confirmation email that your new subscribers will receive. This is a crucial step that can greatly influence whether they complete the verification process. After you toggle double opt-in on, locate the section for confirmation messages or emails. In this area, you can edit the subject line and content of the email that goes out to your new subscribers. Make sure your subject line is clear and enticing. Something like, "Confirm your subscription to our newsletter" works well. Then, in the body of the email, thank them for showing interest in your content and instruct them on what they need to do. Encourage them to click the confirmation link to start receiving your updates. This is a great opportunity to reiterate the value they will receive from your newsletters. Once you've crafted the confirmation email to your liking, save the changes. It's good practice to send a test email to yourself before finalizing everything. This allows you to see how the confirmation process looks from a subscriber's perspective and ensures that all links are working correctly. Now that everything is set up, you're officially ready for double opt-in. Remember that your existing subscribers who signed up before enabling this feature won't need to go through the double opt-in process again. It will only apply to new signups moving forward. Finally, keep an eye on your analytics. After enabling double opt-in, monitor your subscription rates. You may notice a dip initially, as some people won't complete the confirmation, but don't worry, this is a normal part of the process. Over time, you should see more engaged subscribers who are more likely to open your emails and interact with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled double opt-in in Beehiiv. If you follow these steps, you'll not only improve the quality of your subscriber list, but also build a more engaged audience for your newsletters. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for